that today I am going to tell you important facts and GK question about Indian Railway. If you are preparing for Assistant Loco Pilot, Assistant Station Master, Railway Group D, RRB, NTPC and other competitive exams, then this video is only for you. After watching this video, you can easily attend any questions related to Indian Railway. So please watch this video till the end and don't skip it. Then without wasting your time, let's start. Indian Railways is the fourth largest railway network in the world with a route length of 67,368 km. The United States Railway Network is the largest railway network in the world. Top 4 largest country by railway network in the world are 1. The United States, route length 250,000 km. 2. China, route length 139,000 km. 3. Russia, route length 85,500 km. 4. India, route length 67,368 km. So friends, India is the second largest railway network in Asia after China and fourth largest railway network in the world after United States, China and Russia. Indian Railways is often called the lifeline of the nation. It is also the slogan and tagline of Indian Railways. And why Indian Railways is called the lifeline of the nation? Because it not only transports passengers and goods, but it also connects the entire nation and brings people closer from the farthest corners. More than 13 lakh employees directly associated with Indian Railways. Many people are indirectly living their lives with the help of railways. For all of these reasons, Indian Railways is called the lifeline of our country or the lifeline of our nation. Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India when railways were first introduced in India. Lord Dalhousie is known as the father of Indian Railways. The first train ran on Indian soil between Bombay and Thane on 16th April in 1853 with 400 passengers within 34 kilometers. Yes friends, the first train ran in India from Bombay Boribandar station to Thane in 1853 and the distance between the station was just 34 kilometers. And for your kind information, Bombay is now known to us as Mumbai. In 1995, Shiv Sena political party of Maharashtra changed Bombay's name as Mumbai. The name of this train was Black Beauty and this was the first passenger train. Boribandar, which is located in Mumbai, was the first railway station in India. Now this station is known to us as Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is the headquarters of Central Railway Zone. New Delhi Varanasi Vande Bharat Express is the fastest train in India according to 2020. It is very important. Average speed of Vande Bharat Express is 180 km per hour. Vande Bharat Express also known as Train 18. New Delhi Agra Gatiman Express 160 km per hour stand in second position and New Delhi Bhopal Shatabdi Express 150 km per hour stands in third position by the speed of train. Chennai Central Mettupalayam Nilgiri Express is the slowest train in India. Average speed of this train is just 10 km per hour. Can you imagine it? Just 10 km per hour. Nilgiri Express is also known as the Blue Mountain Express. This point is very important. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari Vivek Express is the longest train route in the Indian subcontinent. Yes friends, Dibrugarh of Assam to Kanyakumari of Tamil Nadu Vivek Express is the longest train route in the Indian subcontinent. It covers a distance of 4,286 kilometers in just 83 hours. This point is very important for railway exams and other competitive exams. Gorakhpur Junction railway station of Uttar Pradesh has the world's longest platform with the length of 1,366.33 meters. Yes friends, Gorakhpur railway station has the world's longest platform with the length of 1,366.33 meters. Gorakhpur is the headquarters of North Eastern Railway Zone. Kollam Junction of Kerala has the second longest railway platform in the world. It is 1180.5 meters long, and Kharagpur Junction railway station of West Bengal has the world's third longest railway platform with the length of 1072.5 meters. Howrah Junction railway station or Howrah station is the busiest railway station in India in terms of passengers volume. Howrah station also have the highest number of platforms in India. It has total 23 platforms. Howrah Junction railway station is located in the state of West Bengal. Ghum railway station of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is the highest railway station in India. This station is situated at 2,225 meter high above sea level. Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel is the longest railway tunnel of India. It is 11.215 kilometers long. Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel is located in Jammu and Kashmir. This tunnel is opened on 26 June in 2013. Bembanad Rail Bridge of Kerala is the longest rail bridge in India with the length of 4.62 km. This rail bridge connects Edapalli and Bhalarapadam in Kochi. And Bogibeel Bridge is the longest railroad bridge in India with the length of 4.94 kilometers. Yes friends, I told you railroad bridge, rail cum road bridge. Bogibeel Bridge is the longest railroad bridge or rail cum road bridge in India with the length of 4.94 kilometers. And this bridge is situated on the Brahmaputra river in Assam. Bogibeel Bridge connects Dibrugarh in Assam to Nahar Lagoon in Arunachal Pradesh. This point is very important. It has come many times in railways exam and other competitive exams. India's first metro rail was started in Kolkata on 24th October in 1984 between Damdam to Toliganj by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. So friends, India's first underground metro rail was started in Kolkata in the year 1984. The first electric train ran in India on 3rd February in 1925 between Bombay, Victoria Terminus and Kurla Harbour at a distance of 16 km. In 1986, in New Delhi, Indian Railways started its first computerized reservation. National Rail Museum in New Delhi is the largest rail museum in India as well as in Asia. It was established in the year 1977. Indian Railways has currently 18 zones and 73 divisions, not 17 zones. India's Railways has currently 18 zones and 73 divisions. Northern Railway Zones is the largest zone with the route length of 6,807 kilometers. New Delhi Railway Station is the headquarters of Northern Railway Zone. Southern Railway Zone is the oldest zone in Indian Railways. It was established on 14th April in 1951. The headquarters of Southern Railway is located in Chennai. So friends, Northern Railway is the largest zone and the Southern Railway is the oldest zone in Indian Railways. From 2002, online railway ticket sales began and IRCTC started selling railway tickets online. And what is the full form of IRCTC? Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation. Indian Railways has about 8,500 stations. Can you imagine it? And among them, Venkata Narasimha Raju Bharipeta railway station has the longest name with 28 letters. So friends, which station has the longest name in Indian Railways? Right answer will be Venkata Narasimha Raju Bharipeta. This Venkata Narasimha Raju Bharipeta station is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh on the border with Tamil Nadu. Meghalaya is the only Indian state which has no railway station. Deccan Queen is the first superfast train in India. It was introduced on 1st June in 1930. Deccan Queen currently runs between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Pune Station in the state of Maharashtra. Bholu the guard elephant is the mascot of the Indian Railways. Bholu is a cartoon elephant holding a signal lamp with a green light in one hand, which symbolizes movement, assurance to train and passengers to go ahead without fear. Bholu was designed in 2002 in honor of the 150th anniversary of the Indian Railways. British civil engineer George Stephenson invented railway steam engine in the year 1825. George Stephenson is renowned as the father of railways. Yes friends, George Stephenson is renowned as the father of railways. Lord Dalhousie is known as the father of Indian railways, but George Stephenson is known as the father of railways in the world. The Fairy Queen is the world's oldest running steam engine between New Delhi and Alwar in Rajasthan. Fairy Queen steam engine was built in 1855. In 1998, Fairy Queen was certified by the Guinness Book of Records as the world's oldest steam locomotive in daily service. The Government of India bestowed heritage status on the Fairy Queen in the year 1972. Samjhauta Express was first international border train in India. Samjhauta Express is commonly called as the Friendship Express. This train was first started on 22nd July in 1976 between India and Pakistan. Samjhauta Express runs from Delhi to Lahore. The Maitri Express, which has been running between India and Bangladesh since 2008. Maitri Express runs from Kolkata to Dhaka. This train travels around 375 km in 11 hours to reach Dhaka from Kolkata. Bandhan Express is another international express rail which runs between India and Bangladesh. Bandhan Express runs from Kolkata to Khulna. On 9th November in 2017, Bandhan Express was first started. Eastern Railway Zone is the operator of this express. Maharaja Express is the most expensive luxury train in India, mainly centered on Rajasthan. This luxurious tourist train is operated by IRCTC. Now I am going to tell you all important multiple choice GK question answer related to Indian Railways, which have come many times in Railways exam and other competitive exams. Let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. Question number 1. First train was started in India from Mumbai to Thane. Question number 2. In which year first train was started in India? Right answer option C, 1853. First train was started in India from Mumbai Boribandar station to Thane on 16th April in the year 1853. Question number 3. In the beginning, first train in India travelled. Right answer option B, 34 kilometers. Question number 4. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of length of railway network? Right answer option D, 4th. India is the 4th largest railway network in the world after United States, China and Russia, and the 2nd largest railway network in Asia after China. Question number 5. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Right answer option A, Lifeline of the Nation. Lifeline of the Nation is also the tagline of Indian Railways. Question number 6. What is the symbol of Indian Railways? Right answer option D, elephant. Name of this elephant is Bholu. Bholu the guard elephant is the mascot of Indian Railways. Then friends, elephant is the symbol of Indian Railways as well as the mascot of Indian Railways. Question number 7. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Right answer option B, Lord Dalhousie. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of railways? Right answer option D, George Stephenson. Question number 9. Who invented the railway engine? Right answer option D, George Stephenson. Question number 10. Who invented electric railway engine? Right answer option C, Werner von Siemens. Question number 11. Indian Railway nationalized in which year? Right answer option B, 1951. Question number 12. In which year Indian Railways Board was established? Right answer option B, 1905. In 1905, Indian Railways Board was established by the government of Lord Curzon. Question number 13. When did Indian Railway Act first? Right answer option A, 1890. Question number 14. Which is the fastest train in Indian Railways in 2020? Right answer option A, Vande Bharat Express. Average speed 180 km per hour. Question number 15. Which of the following is the longest train route in the Indian subcontinent? Right answer option C, Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, Vivek Express. Question number 16. Which railway station has the world's longest railway platform in India? Right answer option A, Gorakhpur railway station. It is also the biggest railway station in India. Question number 17. Who was the Governor General of India when railways were first introduced in India? Right answer option B, Lord Dalhousie. Question number 18. Which is the busiest railway station in India? Right answer option B, Howrah Junction railway station. Question number 19. Which station has the highest number of platforms in India? The right answer of this question is option C, Howrah Junction railway station. It has 23 platforms. And option A, Shialdah railway station has 20 platforms. Option B, Chennai Central railway station has 17 platforms. And option D, Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus has 18 platforms. Question number 20. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Right answer option B, Pir Panjal tunnel. It is 11.2 km long, located in Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 21. Which of the following station is the highest railway station in India? Right answer option A, Ghum railway station. Question number 22. Which is the longest rail bridge in India? Right answer option D, Bembanad rail bridge. Question number 23. Which is the largest railroad bridge in India? Right answer option B, Bogibeel bridge. Yes friends, longest rail bridge in India is Bembanad bridge and longest railroad bridge in India is Bogibeel bridge. Question number 24. Who was the first railway minister of independent India? Right answer option A, John Mathai. John Mathai presented the first railway budget of independent India in November 1947. Question number 25. Who was the first female loco pilot or train driver in Indian Railways? Right answer option C, Surekha Yadav. Surekha Shankar Yadav, born in Satara in the state of Maharashtra. She became India's first female train driver in 1988. Question number 26. Who was the first female rail minister of India? Right answer option C, Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee became the first female rail minister of India on 13th October in 1999. She is also the first female chief minister of West Bengal. Question number 27. In India, Rail Day is celebrated on option D, 16th April. Yes friends, in India, first train was started from Mumbai Boribandar station to Thane on 16th April in 1853. Therefore, 16th April is celebrated as Railway Divas in India. Question number 28. The slowest train of India with an average speed of 10 km per hour is Nilgiri Express. Question number 29. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? Right answer option C, 18, not 17. Yes friends, Indian Railways has currently 18 zones. And South Coast Railway Zone is the 18th railway zone name in Indian Railways. Headquarters of South Coast Railway Zone is located at Visakhapatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 30. How many divisions are there in Indian Railways? Right answer option D, 73. Question number 31. Which is the largest zone in Indian Railways? Right answer option B, Northern Railway Zone. Northern Railway Zone is the largest zone with the route length of 6,807 km. Question number 32. Which is the oldest railway zone in India? Right answer option A, Southern Railway Zone. Established on 14th April in 1951. Question number 33. The first underground metro railway or the first metro railway was started in which Indian city? Right answer option C, Kolkata. In 1984, metro rail was first started in Kolkata. Question number 34. Which is the first railway station in India? Right answer, option D, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, formerly known as Victoria Terminus and Boribandar Railway Station. Question number 35. Which Indian state has no railway station? Right answer, option C, Meghalaya. Question number 36. Which Indian state has no railway line? Right answer, option A, Sikkim. Yes friends, Meghalaya state has no railway station in India and Sikkim has no railway line in India. Question number 37. When was first electric train started in India? Right answer, option A, 1925. Question number 38. Who is known as Metro Man of India? Right answer, option C, Elattu Bhalapil Sridharan or E. Sridharan. Elattu Bhalapil Sridharan is an Indian civil engineer and a retired Indian engineering service officer. Question number 39. Which state has largest rail network in India? Right answer, option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 40. In which city railway coaches are manufactured? Right answer, option B, Kapurthala. Kapurthala is located on the Jalandhar-Firozpur line in the state of Punjab. Question number 41. The largest integral coach factory in India is located at? Right answer, option D, Chennai. The largest integral coach factory is mainly located at Perambur in the city of Chennai. Question number 42. Where is the Railway Staff College located? Right answer, option C, Vadodara. Vadodara is a city of Gujarat. It also comes in exams that in which state Railway Staff College is located. Then the answer will be Gujarat. Question number 43. The headquarters of North Eastern Railway is located at? Right answer, option C, Gorakhpur. Question number 44. Which city has the headquarters of 3 railway zones in India? Right answer, option A, Kolkata. Kolkata is the headquarters of Eastern Railway, South Eastern Railway and Metro Railway Zone. Question number 45. The diesel locomotive work is situated in? Varanasi. Varanasi is a city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 46. Fairy Queen, the world's oldest running locomotive steam engine, runs between New Delhi and Alwar. Question number 47. Deccan Queen, India's first superfast express train, located in which Indian state? Right answer, option C, Maharashtra. Question number 48. Which is the first private train in Indian Railways? Right answer, option A, Tejas Express. Tejas Express runs between Lucknow and New Delhi. Tejas Express is operated by the Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation, IRCTC. Question number 49. Online ticket sales in railway started from 2002. Question number 50. Computerized reservation system was started in Indian Railways in which year? Right answer, option B, 1986. Computerized reservation system was started from New Delhi railway station in 1986. Question number 51. The first fully air-conditioned train was introduced in 1956 between Howrah and New Delhi. Question number 52. What is the name of the express runs between India and Pakistan? Right answer, option C, Samjhauta Express. Question number 53. Maitri Express connects India with which of the following countries? Right answer, option D, Bangladesh. Question number 54. The Bandhan Express is an international passenger train which runs between Kolkata and Khulna. Khulna is a renowned city of Bangladesh. Yes friends, Bandhan Express runs between the Indian city of Kolkata and the Bangladeshi city of Khulna. Question number 55. Which express was launched in India on World AIDS Day, December 1, 2007 to create awareness about the disease? Right answer option D, Red Ribbon Express. Question number 56. Which of the following luxury tourist train is owned and operated by IRCTC, mainly centered on Rajasthan? Right answer option B, Maharaja Express. It is the most expensive luxurious train in India. Question number 57. Which rail museum is the largest in India as well as in Asia? Right answer option C, National Rail Museum, New Delhi. National Rail Museum of New Delhi was established in the year 1977. Question number 58. Indian Railway budget was separated from general budget in 1924. Question number 59. Railway budget was merged with the general budget of India in which year? Right answer option B, 2016. Last and final question, question number 60. What is the width of broad gauge railway line in India? Right answer option A, 5 feet 6 inch. Friends, I hope you have liked this video. If you like it, then please press the like button and share this video to your friends and family by WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter to reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video. Thank you.